Hello, good morning to everybody. This is K. Rajesh. Today I am going to discuss about the topic transformers and its basic. Now, today I visit one of the construction and services of the transformers. And before going to the topic, first we will see about the what is the purpose of transformer, what is meant by transformer, what is the need of transformer, and introduction of transformers, what is the principle of transformers, and the construction and working of transformers, what are the types of a transformers, and what are the applications of transformers, and what is meant by auto transformer. This we will learn by this video. First of all, what is the purpose of transformers? In most cases, appliances are manufactured to work under some specific voltages. Transformers are used to adjust the voltages to a proper level. The transformers are the basic components for the transmission of the electricity. Transformer is used to increase the voltage at the power generating stations. There we are using the step-up transformers. Step-up transformers are used to increase the voltage at the power generating stations. And we are also using the step-down transformers where we are used to decrease the voltage for household purposes. By increasing the voltages, the loss of the electricity in the transmission purpose is minimized. There are the two types of transformers. One is the step-up transformers, where step-up transformer is used in the generating stations, where the step-down transformers are used in the substations for the household purposes, for the industrial purposes, for the commercial purposes. We are used the step-down transformers. See, introduction of the transformers. Transformer is a static device. It transfers electrical energy from one part of the electrical or electronic circuit to other part of circuit without changing the frequency. Simply we can describe as a converts the voltage levels from one voltage level to another voltage levels. For example, 11 kV to 33 kV voltages, 33 kV to 66 kV voltages. Like this we can use it for the step up in the voltages in various applications of generating stations. It works on the Michael Faraday's laws of electromagnetic mutual inductions. See, what is meant by Michael Faraday law of electromagnetic mutual induction? Electromagnetic mutual induction. See, whenever the conductor cuts the magnetic flux, an EMF is induced from the one coil to another coil. Means when the current is provided to the primary winding, it behaves as electromagnet. Due to this, the EMF is induced in the secondary winding as it comes in the area of having magnetic field lines due to primary winding. Means mutual induction from one coil to another coil. See, in the transformers we are having the laminated core, winding, tank, isolation, breather. We can see the different types of parts of transformers, where we can see the primary coil, secondary coil, and we will use the here we can see the transformer tank, and here we are having the bushings, low terminal voltage bushings, high terminal voltage bushings. Here we are using the transformer buckless relay is used for the transformer. Whenever the fault is occurring on a transformer, the buckless relay will rectify the fault in a transformer And here we are using the conservator tank. The conservator tank purpose of whenever the transformer is running, whenever the inside of the oil is heated due to the laminated core, when heavy load is applied on the transformer, the oil will be increased in the conservator tank. Here we are using the breather. The purpose of breather is whenever the load is increased on the transformer will take the air from the outside and to the inside of the transformer. Normally, sometimes in the air the moisture is there, the moisture will be absorbed by the breather. In the breather we are using the silica gel. The silica gel, where it is used for the purpose, it will absorb the moisture in the air and the air will be sent into the transformers. There we are using in the transformer, we are having the cooling tubes will be used in the transformer. Due to whenever the transformer is heated, the cooling tubes will cool the inside the oil. The transformer will cools the oil will cools the transformer. And there are the main purpose of the transformer is for the converting the voltage levels from one level to the another level. In the transformers there are having the shell types of transformers and spiral core transformers, core type of transformers. And we are having the basics of coolant material used is oil filled self cooling, oil filled water cooling, air blast cooling. There are the types of transformers are step up transformers, step down transformers, and isolation transformers. The oil filled self cooling is the coolant will be used in the transformers. Oil filled self cooled types use small and medium sized distribution transformers. The assembled windings and core of such transformers are mounted in a welded oil tight steel tanks provided with a steel cover. The applications of transformers: transmitting electrical energy over long distances through wires. Transformers with several secondaries are used in televisions and radio receivers where several different voltages are required. Transformer is used as a voltage regulator.